Good morning, and it's not even morning. Okay, good afternoon. Yeah, it's just right after 1 o'clock, and the rain has kind of stopped. It's been raining on and off a little bit today, but wanted to thank everybody for all the comments on my new tiny home video that I did. So the number one question that I got from that video is, where's the bathroom? There isn't a bathroom. This isn't an RV park, so the bathroom is in my camper. So there is no water that is connected to the tiny home. It's just, there is electricity, but there is no water, sink, bathroom, anything like that. It has electricity. Here's my bathroom. It's in the camper. So my camper has full hookups, water, sewer, electricity. Yeah, so water, electricity, sewer. So I still live in my truck camper. I cook in my truck camper. I eat in my truck camper. Well, sometimes I eat outside. But, and since this is nothing, it's not any set up for living or anything. Basically, it's set up to the chairs. And then we move the chairs outside at night if we're going to sit outside. So, yeah, there's no bathroom. Which is fun. I don't need one. So anyway, that was the number one question on that video, and hopefully that will answer that question. Let's see. So working on projects still. I'm going to show you a couple of projects that I've got going on in the next few days. Yeah, and that's going to keep us busy on Thursday and Friday, so that'll be cool. I'll tell you about that here in just a minute. Okay, I got this pretty much cleaned, the floor area anyway. Got it all cleaned. We talked about that shelf. I've got pretty much those bottom shelves are done. These are not. But, yeah, so got it pretty well organized. The battery that's going to go on the van, I'm going to hook it up. And let's see, what else? What else? It's still sprinkling a little bit today, just kind of on and off. What are you doing, Bandit? Sammy? Alright, one of the big projects that is going to happen in the next few days and the next, or part of July is, split AC. Yeah. So I'm putting this room doesn't have. What? Do you have something to say? Yes. You do. You do? You want off the leash and come in? She says, yes, I want to lay on the bed. There you go. You want in the chair? You don't know what you want. You don't know what you want. Okay, get in your chair. Get in your chair. There you go. I'll sit right here, okay? I'll sit right here. Okay, so the boxes are, well, I've got Deborah's in here too. So there's 2 mini split ACs in here. And in the next couple of days, we're going to have an electrician come. He's going to install an AC disconnect on my tiny house right outside and get all the electricity ready for the mini split. And I'm gonna put my mini split on this wall right up here. And I already have a dedicated plug on that wall for the AC. They probably had a window unit in here. I do not want to take away from that window. So I did not want to put a air conditioner in there. I want to sit there at my desk and look out at my beautiful tree. So I'm going to put a mini split up here. Of course, the outside's going to go, the compressor part is going to go outside, and we're going to hang them on the rails so it's not going to sit down on the ground. And so that's one of them. Actually, all these boxes, there's two units. So all this is, like I said, this room is a work in progress. So this is going to happen. The electricity is going to happen in the next couple of days. And then the first week or so in July, the air conditioners are going to be installed by the air conditioner guy. So all that's exciting news coming to the little tiny house. Yeah. So that's what's going on today. Okay, one thing I'm going to be trying to do this summer is get back into playing the guitar. And this is my second day, and it hurts so bad. That's the problem is with the guitar is once you quit, you got to just build that calcium back up onto your, or blisters, I should say, back onto your fingertips. So I'm just trying to do about 10 or 15 minutes a day right now to work on. It hurts so bad. So I played at the guitar for 30, 40 years. Yeah, I'm one of those that I never did stick with it. And I just play at it, is what I always say. So I'll play for a while, then I put it down. Which I guess is okay. And I guess that's the problem, or not problem. My, is it my attention span? That might be it. But really, I think it's because I like to do so many different things and I have so many different hobbies that maybe I get bored. I don't know. But anyway. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm not going to really play anything. Well, I might play one song. I can't play it for very long because I'm going to play it. I've got my laptop here, and I keep my music on Google Drive. Let me go over here. And then I'm going to play it with, that's another thing is because I never learn a song completely, so I always have to play it with the music, so. Maybe this time will be different. What do y'all think? Nah. Don't fool yourself. So I am going to also play it because I can't play it normally very good by myself. So I'm going to start playing it on YouTube. So like I said, I won't be able to play it. Okay, I have to put a capo on 5th fret. She is home.